Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming two essentials: a Schoology account with teacher or admin privileges and the Google account you want to link. Once done, open Drive in a separate tab so you can grant access quickly. Next, make sure your Schoology organization allows external app integrations. If not, request permission from your admin now. These steps prevent roadblocks later. Now move to Schoology and navigate to your course or resources area so you can attach Drive content directly. You'll now authorize and attach content. In Schoology, go to Add Materials and pick the Google Drive integration, or Add File/link, then Google Drive. When the authentication window appears, select the Drive account you opened and grant the permissions Schoology requests. This lets it list and attach files. After authorization, pick the file or folder and decide whether to link to the live Drive item or upload a copy. Choose linking when you want updates to sync. Once selected, confirm and insert into your course. Finish by verifying sharing settings on the Drive items so students can view or edit as needed. Mismatched permissions are the most common problem. For assignments, consider make a copy for each student or use Drive's assignment workflow with Schoology to avoid overwrite. If the Drive option disappears or files won't attach, revoke Schoology access in your Google account security settings and reauthorize. Make sure pop-up blockers are disabled. Finally, test as a student or preview to confirm everything behaves as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.